Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Students, let us solve question number 25. A gas is compressed isothermally to half its initial volume. This is the pressure axis and this is the volume axis. Suppose the volume is now something and it is half of its value, this one. So suppose that the volume is now here. Suppose this is 2V0 and now it becoming V0. So the gas is compressed isothermally. We know that the isothermal process, this is isothermal and this is adiabatic. And if I do the complete graph, this is isothermal expansion, this is adiabatic expansion, this is isothermal compression, and this is adiabatic compression. So always this one will be, you can see here, this is isothermal and this is adiabatic. So the adiabatic will lie above and the isothermal will lie below. Gas is, so this will be isothermal. The same gas is compressed separately through an adiabatic process until its volume is again reduced to half. This one and this one, this is your adiabatic, this is adiabatic, and this is isothermal. They start from the same situation and reduce to half its volume, isothermally and adiabatically separately. So the volume is reduced to half, so from 2V0 to V0 both ways. Which of the case, whether the compression through isothermal or through adiabatic process requires more work? More work will depend upon the atomicity of the gas. So compressing the gas isothermally will require more work done. Compressing the gas through adiabatic process will require more work done. We know that work done during adiabatic process is how much. You can see that work done is the area under the curve. So the area here is negative. So here it is negative, here also it is negative, but work done with adiabatic process is area under the curve. Okay, and also isothermal process is also area under the curve. Now in because compression, the work done is negative, because it is a case of compression, okay. So therefore the work done will be negative, okay, because area will be negative, work done is negative work done, okay. So and work done during adiabatic process, that is area in adiabatic process is more negative than area in isothermal process as a process, okay. So basically it also depends on the slope. Work done because adiabatic slope is greater than the isothermal slope. So slope is greater. So so as area in case of adiabatic process is more negative, and area in isothermal process is less negative, this number is more in terms of negative. Now because more work is done here, so work done during adiabatic process is greater than work done during isothermal process. So more work is required in adiabatic process. So in compressing the gas in adiabatic process, you require more work done. So compressing the gas through adiabatic process will require more work done. That is correct answer, because the area is more, so work done has to be more. So this is the answer. Okay, so the answer to this question is option number 3. So option number 3 is the right answer to this question. Okay, thank you.